If you are preparing for Goethe B1 exam and worried about your writing section, don't worry, because instead of just memorizing hundreds of emails, we have some 10 email templates that can be used in invitation, apology, request, complaint, etc., and many more exam situations. So, in this video, I will explain you some 10 templates, writing templates for the B1 exam that you can use in many situations. These are the sample templates. Okay, so it will be easy for you for any template, any email, because if you memorize these 10 templates instead of memorizing hundreds of emails, it will be very useful for you. I will explain you in which situation you can use this template, and at the end of the video I'll show you some common writing topics in Goethe B1, and there also you can use these templates easily. Okay, so without wasting any time, we'll start with the video and watch till the end, because it will be very useful for you at the end of the video. I'll just show you some common Goethe B1 topics. Now we'll see these templates one by one, and simultaneously I will explain you where you can use these templates. Now template 1 is about formal email, that is for general. It is not specific for something. You can use this for information requests, appointments, hotels, jobs, and more. Now, you can start this email with Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. Always start your formal email with Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren. This is the actually format, or you can say for your email, formal email particularly. Ich schreibe Ihnen, weil ich möchte gern. Könnten Sie mir bitte Informationen überschicken? Vielen Dank im Voraus, right? Thank you in advance. Ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. So I look forward for your reply mit freundlichen Grüßen, name. With regards, friendly regards, you can say. So here it is the template. Just understand this. It is not the full email. The main content, main email content, you have to fill it. You have to write it. But this is the template. This is the format. Okay. And if you follow this format, I'm very sure that you will get very good marks, because format also it carries marks, right? Now we'll come to template 2, that is informal email. Use this when writing to a friend. Correct? Now here in this informal email, you can start with lieber or lieber, depending on the gender of that person. Wie geht es dir? How are you doing? Ich hoffe, dir geht es gut. I hope you are doing good. Ich möchte dir erzählen das. I want to tell you, explain you that schreib mir bald. Whatever is the main content. After das, you can write it there, and you can end it with schreib mir bald und viele Grüße. Your name. By default, you have to write your name. But again and again, I am not mentioning, but always write your name at the end of the email, any email, formal or informal. Now, template 3 is about invitation. Here, suppose you want to invite your friend for your birthday party, you can start with Liebe Anna. Ich möchte dich herzlich zu meiner Geburtstagsparty einladen. I want to invite you for my birthday party. Die Party findet am Samstag. It will take place on Saturday, Samstag 18 Uhr at 6 p.m. 18 Uhr bei mir zu Hause statt. At my place. Ich hoffe, du kannst kommen. I hope you come. Bitte gib mir Bescheid and viele Grüße. Again, your name. By default, it will come here. So this was about invitation. Now here, suppose you are accepting that invitation. Okay. Then how to start with whatever Liebe and that person's name, that vielen Dank für deine Einladung. Ich komme sehr gern. I'll definitely come. Ich freue mich schon darauf and bis bald. Okay. Again, your name. Even if I don't mention, just understand you have to write your name in any email at the end of the mail. Then template 5 is declining an invitation. If you are not free that day, if you are not available, so how to decline it? Vielen Dank für deine Einladung. Leider kann ich nicht kommen. Unfortunately, I could not come. I cannot come weil ich arbeiten muss, because I have to work. Okay? Ich wünsche dir viel Spaß. Viel Spaß is a lot of fun. And liebe Grüße. Again, your name. Now coming to our template 6, that is complaint. Now here, obviously, if you are writing formally, then you have to start with Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ich habe am whatever, and by Ihnen, some product you have suppose purchased from that particular company by or shop. Bei Ihnen, whatever the product's name, gekauft. Leider gibt es ein Problem, but unfortunately I have some problem with that product. Ich bin mit dem Produkt nicht zufrieden. I'm not able to use that product. Bitte finden Sie eine Lösung. Please find some solution for that. Ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. So I'm looking forward to your reply and mit freundlichen Grüßen. And your name. Now coming to our seventh template, that is asking for information. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, again, you can start with that. Ich interessiere mich für. Suppose you want to join some course. You can write that course's name here, für so and so. Ich hätte einige Fragen. I have one question. Wie viel kostet? How much is the cost of that particular course? And one begin that course. Vielen Dank für Ihre Antwort. Okay. Now you must be familiar with all these phrases, how to start with the formal email or informal email, how to end, right? After this thing. Then template 8, it is apology. Lieber, es tut mir sehr leid, leider kann ich heute nicht kommen. I could not come today. Unfortunately, leider, ich hoffe, du verstehst das. Or you can say, I cannot come today, or if it was in the morning, I could not come. And ich hoffe, du verstehst das. I hope you understand this. Können wir einen neuen Termin vereinbaren? Okay, can we fix a new termin is appointment? Okay, so this is a way of writing for apology. Now, template 9 is congratulations. Suppose you want to congratulate someone. So there you can say, see here, it depends on formally or informally. Okay, now you know that how to start a formal email or informal email. So I have not written the greetings here. Directly I have written this, but just keep it in mind that what to write at the beginning for formal or informal email. So herzlichen Glückwunsch. Ich wünsche dir alles Gute, viel Erfolg und Gesundheit and Passion. Okay, so this is about congratulations. Then template 10, and the last template is job application. Simple job application. The simple, the simple email. If you are writing, this is the template, not very complicated. Sehr geehrte Damen und Herren, ich möchte mich die Stelle als bewerben. Ich habe Erfahrungen, I have experience in. Ich bin freundlich und zuverlässig. Now you are talking about yourself. You are telling about yourself that I am friendly, I am reliable. Ich freue mich auf Ihre Antwort. Now you know the ending also. So this was for job application. Now there are some, you can say, connecting words, useful words you can use in your email. So your email will look natural and not artificial, while this half of wohl außerdem zuerst danach, schließlich, trotzdem, zum Beispiel, daher. These are some useful words you can use in your email. It always looks natural, and you get good marks also using these words. Now, the useful topics or common topics you can say in B1, Goethe B1 exam writing section: birthday invitation, hotel booking, language course inquiry, complaint, travel cancellation, apartment search, job application, appointment change, thank you email, asking for information, helping a friend, lost item, event registration, moving to a new city, and shopping problem. Okay, so which templates, 10 templates, flexible templates I explained to you, you can use in all these topics, you can say writing topics. Okay, so just the main content will change, and the format for formal or informal, there is a difference, right? Formal email, there is a different format, greetings, closing, and informal, there is a different format. So just follow that, and write your email, get good marks. So that's all for today, friends. If you are new to my channel and you are preparing for, let's say, TELC or Goethe exam, do subscribe to my channel, because I come up with all these exam related videos. Thank you and bye.